What's going on, everybody? So, haven't seen you guys in a while. Did you miss me? I know it's been a couple of weeks since I posted a video last, and there's very good reason for that. Nothing crazy, just that we've been super busy. Super busy. A lot of stuff going on here at the shop. A lot of changes going on. A lot of things we're doing a little bit differently than we had initially planned out. So we're just trying to get our bearings right now. And in a couple of minutes, I'm going to show you guys exactly what I'm talking about. I'm sure in that little intro you caught a little glimpse of something in the background. But yeah, so we currently don't have much in the way of projects. We're kind of in that transition time where people are just finally starting to build their cars. So we've been doing a ton of service work. You know, tax returns come back and our service work goes through the roof because everybody's getting their cars fixed that they haven't been neglecting for the last year. So we've been doing a lot of that. We had a couple of vehicles in here with you know, some major problems. Currently we have this F-150 in here, and that's got a blown front differential, so we have to replace the front differential in this one. We did a lift kit on a 2017 Ram yesterday. So yeah, we've been kind of screaming, and I actually had a video planned for you guys for the beginning of last week, but we got a call from our friend, and he said, hey, remember that thing you wanted to build? Well, I can do it on Tuesday. So I started a video for you guys Monday, and then we started construction on Tuesday. And here's what we ended up with. So yeah, basically we have added 200 square feet to the shop. So now what we're planning on doing is we've started moving stuff around. It's still kind of in its infancy stage. I still have to put some lighting up under here, but we're going to have our entire fab area right here. We got our TIG welder, the welding table, and the MIG. We got the grinder. Then we're going to have right in this corner, we're going to put our Bridgeport. And then over along this wall here is going to be the South Bend lathe. So we've got a ton more room. So now, when you look out into the shop area, again, still messy. That corner right there is still pretty screwed up. We got to fix that. But move the toolbox over to there. Moved all that. Moved the soda machine back there. Our compressor is now tucked nicely under the staircase and out of the way. So yeah, we got a ton of stuff that we moved out of the main shop area, including the big green Datsun that's been the bane of my existence for the last year, is over at the other shop. So as soon as this is all cleaned up, we're going to have a ton more room. And that's what we've been looking for. Because you know what? I'm one guy. It's me and Sherry. We're the only ones working. We're the only ones doing anything here. We don't have a million people. We don't have extra mechanics. We don't have people working for us. We don't need a massive amount of square footage to be efficient. So I think this is how we're going to work it. Because it's working out great. We've been doing it now for the past 7 months without an issue. Yeah, we're a little tight for space, but at the same point in time, if you're efficient with it, we're good. So let me show you guys upstairs. So we got a nice little storage area here. Got our printer. And here's what it looks like. For those of you, and pretty much all of you never saw my other shop, we had this entire setup in the other shop. So basically, we have the refrigerator, a fully functioning sink, cabinets, the television, all of our cooking stuff. It's a kind of our little break room type setup. And then we've got the couch, little table. Looks a lot bigger in person than it does on camera, but we're still trying to figure out how to organize this area too. And then we're going to put a railing up, obviously, so people don't just randomly fall off the edge. But that's coming soon. For right now, I got to run some electrical from here up and around and back here so we can get all this stuff over here plugged in and ready to go. And we're going to do that in a little bit. So we got something cool. This box came today from FedEx. And we're going to see what's in it because I have a sneaking suspicion it is something you guys are going to like. So let me grab a razor blade here. And let's open this up together. And yep, it is exactly what I thought it was going to be. Our t-shirts have arrived. See what these puppies look like. Logo came out gorgeous. Perfect. Alright guys, so yeah, these are going to be available. These are available in a link in the description below. It takes you directly to my website. You can utilize PayPal to pay. You can use a credit card even if you don't have a PayPal account. All you have to do is click on the button, type in your address, pay for the shirt. I'll send it right out to you. Dylan, you know who you are. I actually have your shirt put aside, ready to go. It'll ship out in the next day or two. But yeah, please do me a favor. Visit the link down below. Pick up a shirt. Help support the channel. Again, like I said, I never ask for money without giving you guys something in return. If you want a really comfortable t-shirt with, you know, a really, in my opinion, a kick-ass logo on it, then yeah, hit the website up. We have about 30 shirts in stock right now. We wanted to see how they sell. If they sell well, I'll order a shit ton more so that we have them in stock all the time. And yeah, stay tuned guys for more stuff. I know, again, I haven't posted in a while and I feel terrible that I haven't, but we've just been so busy here with us building this loft up here and trying to get the shop reorganized. And you know, we've got a bunch of stuff for sale at the other shop that we're trying to get rid of, and just, you know, unnecessary things. And we're kind of sucking it down and pulling it down into, you know, the how Morpheus Performance started in the small shop, and the, you know, the environment where we can actually pay attention to our customers and make sure that they have the best service and the best fabrication absolutely possible. So thank you guys for sticking around. Thank you guys for watching all my videos. There's definitely going to be more to come. I'm going to try to make some more videos as things progress with the shop, and as we get the railing up on the loft, and you know, we get all the electrical done and we get everything else done. The reason I didn't film the actual construction of the loft is because I personally don't feel comfortable filming someone else, especially when they're working for me. It feels weird to me. So I don't like to put anybody on the spot like that, because I know a lot of people, when they see a camera and they're being recorded, they get nervous. And I wanted to make sure that we had full focus on actually constructing this loft without any kind of interruptions whatsoever, because you know what, my fat ass is up here every day and I don't want it falling down. So yeah, so we did that. So as the time goes by and the next couple of weeks come, there's going to be a lot of stuff going on still. We still have to reorganize this place. We still have to do a lot of other little things and get some other stuff situated. We still have a leak in the roof that we need to get fixed by the landlord. We still have some organizing to do. I still got to move some stuff around. We have jobs coming in every single day, so around that I'm trying to get all this stuff done. So yeah, it's definitely a shit show, and I don't want to say that YouTube is not my priority, but I have to make sure that my business is good before I can film and show you guys. You know, we've got a ton of stuff going on, but we'll see, you know, more videos most definitely when the Bridgeport gets over here and the lathe gets over here. We'll have some really super cool content with that, because I have some projects in mind for that. So again, you know what? Thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for sticking with me. Thank you for subscribing. Thank you for everything that you guys are doing for me. And if you want to pick up a shirt, which I would really appreciate, go down into the description. There'll be a link there where you can purchase these. So yeah, that's about all I got, really. can't think of much else. So I will see you guys on the next one, which will hopefully be within the next couple of days. We'll get another one out there for you. And yeah, like if you haven't, comment if you haven't, subscribe if you haven't. I reply or like or love every single one of the comments that I see. Again, guys, thank you so much. Have an awesome Monday, and I will see you guys on the next one.